Welcome back to Tech DJ 60 Day, Get to Know AI Challenge. Today's topic is divided in two parts. What are the AI algorithms? Part 1 is for supervised learning models. In AI, an algorithm is a set of mathematical rules or steps that guide how a machine makes predictions or decisions. Unlike traditional programming, where logic is coded directly, AI algorithms learn patterns from data. The two main types of codes are traditional code, which had the if or else rule, and second is AI flow, which has like data, then algorithm, then model, and then prediction. There are three major types of learning algorithms: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning means training with labeled data, like images labeled as cats or dogs, or student scores with their grades. The algorithm finds relationships between input features and known outputs. Common supervised algorithms are linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest. Linear regression is a simple model that tries to predict the next value of a data series based on what it has learned. Like, consider you want to predict the salary of employee by just studying single feature, years of experience in job. The model can generate an expected salary for a given experience value. In statistics, we use the least square method to minimize the mean squared output error, so fit the best model. Logistic regression model is generally used to detect the class of the feature under prediction. Like, for example, based on customer transactions data, the logistic model tries to generate the probability of fraud transaction based on type of transaction, demographic details, time of transaction, etc. The model fits a sigmoid function to predict the value of predictor. Here it is chance of fraud, and can be tagged as 0 or 1. The decision tree model is a tree-based model which uses decision criteria to come to a conclusion. It is easy to visualize the chain of actions at various tree nodes like yes, or no, or if any dependent feature value is greater or less than a deciding criteria at various nodes. Example include detect the if a cancer cell is malignant or not in a patient. So the model studies the details of patient in a tree format and gives a clear answer. Finally, random forest model, which is most important supervised algorithm, is used in various real-life cases like to detect fraud, or assign credit score, and even in medical diagnosis. It is an ensemble of many decision trees which randomly pick a random feature to split the data in form of multiple decision trees to generate an end node output for each tree. Output of all trees are then generalized to reduce bias and error in detecting a class of feature under prediction. So today we covered up supervised learning algorithms and how they actually work. It requires a labeled data like it could types of vegetables based on size, color, texture, and taste. The algorithm learns the data about each type of labeled vegetable and retains the information to predict on an unseen vegetable given the characteristics of that vegetable is already available so that it can assign a label. This entire process includes training data and test data to come the model accuracy conclusion. Stay tuned and keep discovering more with Tech DJ on 60 Day, Get to Know AI Challenge in the following episodes. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.